Okay, everyone, for this project, you will be needing, of course, your sublimation polyester tote. Make sure it says make sure it says sublimation on there. This one says sublimation ready, and it does say polyester. This one is by Make Market. I picked this one up from Michael's, okay? A pair of scissors to trim out your design. If you don't want all that excess paper around your design, you can cut it out as well. And then a ruler to measure your height and length of your image, how big you want it on your tote. Whoops. Next, whatever sublimation paper you would prefer, it doesn't matter as long as it says sublimation paper. This one is Blanks Galore. With this paper, you don't need butcher paper to cover the image, okay? With the A sub, you do need butcher paper to cover your image. I just thought I'd let you know that. I will be using the Blanks Galore paper today. Next, you will need a lint roller because you will have to lint roll your tote to make sure we don't have no lint on there. If there's lint on there, it's going to show up either blue or red kind of color, okay? Next is going to be your heat transfer tape. Your heat resistant tape to tape down your image to the tote. Okay, so without further ado, you guys, let's get into the video and make this tote. Okay, so first thing you want to do once you open your tote, you want to measure how big you want your image on here. So I will probably go about 7. I could probably do 7 by 7 on this one, okay? It's gonna be a nice size. I'm adding my son's name onto the tote, so we'll do a 7 by 7 image. So the 8.5 by 11 size paper will be perfect for this. Next, we are going to just lint roll this, okay? I'm just gonna lint roll it. I'm gonna lint roll it again when I put it on the heat press, but I just wanna make sure I get everything off of here if there's anything on there. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just print out my image, and then I'll come back and show you all what it looks like. Okay, everyone, so I just want to show you real quick. I got the design that I made on the tote bag from Creative Fabrica. Here is if you type in Halloween, you will get so much like to choose from. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on. Like, they got so many nice designs. Like, I can't even like tell you how many designs that you can pick from. Okay, so just check out Creative Fabrica for the image that I have that we're about to press. I believe it is, you can type in Halloween, you can type in pumpkins. If you type in pumpkins, it'll give you all kinds of, like, just the list goes on. Okay, Halloween pumpkins, if you type in Halloween pumpkins, it gives you Halloween pumpkins as well. Okay, look at this. These are cute designs. These are some cute designs. And like I said, the list just goes on and on and on. All right, it was so hard for me to make up my mind on what I wanted to press. So anyhow, that I'm showing you all this, go check out Creative Fabrica, and yeah, just look at all the images you can pick from. Okay, so the design I have, I believe it's called Gamer. Is it Gamer Pumpkin? Let's see. Let me see. I think it's in my downloads. Hold on. Type Gamer Halloween. And there it goes. All right, so just to let you all know, that's where I got my image from. So let's go ahead and print this thing out and get ready to press. Okay, everyone, so here's the image. Make sure that you mirror your image before printing, okay? Make sure you go through all your settings and that you put your ICM on for your colors and take off the reverse and all that good stuff, okay? I have made videos on the settings for the Epson printer with the Silhouette Studio program. All right, if you guys want to go ahead and check that out in the other videos, I have made plenty of videos with what your settings should be on for sublimation. Okay, everyone, so here we are getting ready to press the image. I have my heat press reached 395. I always go a little higher up on my time and my temp. I just do a couple notches up to make sure my heat press reaches the proper time and temp. But 395 is okay. We can do it at 395. And my seconds, it's supposed to be 60 and it's at like 65, which I'm okay with that because I need my heat press to be at the right temp. So here's my design. I just cut it out and now I'm just going to place it, okay, right, kind of like right where I want it, in the middle. Okay, and now I'm going to tape it down with my heat resistant tape. All right, now even though the sublimation paper I'm going to use, it says you don't need butcher paper, I'm still going to put butcher paper on here. Just, I don't know, I've been doing it for so long and I just want to protect my tote. Okay guys, so here we go. All right, and make sure it's at kind of like a medium press, because you don't want it to be firm and then your ink will spread. Okay, so I'm gonna let this count down and then I will be back. Okay everyone, here we go. 2 and 1. I never let my heat press open on its own. I always, during sublimation, I always hold my heat press and open it slowly with my own hand. All right. Oh, it took the, hopefully I didn't mess it up. All right, there. Oh my God, it looks cute. So there we have a cute Halloween trick-or-treat bag, you guys. I have to go back and see if I can find a smaller one for my 3-year-old, because this bag is too big for my 3-year-old. Yeah, too big for my 3-year-old. Okay, so this is what it looks like. All right, came out really cute. So I think it's a cute idea, you know, if you want to personalize your kids' trick-or-treat bags. If you're like me, all my kids, they tend to fight over their bags when I just give them a regular Halloween bag, and they'll fight over like whose is whose. And this time around, I got the names put on there. All right, see? And the colors popped. Really nice. All right, let's lay it down so you all can look at how this came out. It is so cute. So now I just got to find a smaller one, like I said, for my 3-year-old. So if you all enjoyed this video and coming along with me on making this Halloween tote, personalized, customized, however you guys want to say it, follow us for more videos, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, y'all, because we got so many more videos to come. Okay, there you go. All right, stay blessed and see y'all in the next one. Bye.